In a world of global supply chains, one company stands out as a leader. Welcome to CHEP. With a vast presence in over 60 countries and a dedicated workforce comprising more than 12,000 talented individuals, we take immense pride in fostering a safe, engaging, and supportive team environment. Currently, we have exciting opportunities available for pallet repair operators to join our dynamic team. As a pallet repair operator at CHEP, your crucial role involves utilizing state-of-the-art machine-assisted techniques to restore wooden pallets. Through meticulous inspection and skillful repairs using tools such as hammers, sawzalls, and nail guns, you'll contribute to the efficiency and sustainability of our supply chain. Beyond just offering a job, we provide a highly engaging, diverse, and inclusive team environment where you can thrive both personally and professionally. At CHEP, we are committed to fostering growth and progress, providing all the training necessary for your success. We proudly encourage applicants from all backgrounds to apply, as we firmly believe in celebrating diversity and promoting equal opportunities. So if you're looking to build a rewarding career in an innovative and forward-thinking company, take the first step by applying to CHEP today. Join us as we continue to shape the future of global supply chains together.